Hey guys!
Hello.
We're doing more Minecraft. So, we're back.
More.
Joined by Pat. And my right click is still not working.
Lol.
Right, it works on opening...
He's going up.
Wait, can you not block with swords anymore?
Come on down.
You can, I think. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no, you can. You can't deflect.
Ah, right, that's what... Okay. Panic over, my right click is fine.
Deflect. You can't block.
Remember you hold... Yeah. Wow.
It's because they added shields, probably.
There's a shield in the chest if anyone particularly wants one. Oh my gosh!
Can I get a shield?
Oh my gosh, there's one in the chest.
Oh yeah, Pat.
Why is everything
Which
on
one?
fire?
I've got it.
Pat. Oh my gosh, Pat,
Here you go.
is this you?
No?
There you
What?
The house is on fire.
No, I didn't set it on
The
fire.
house is on fire.
Oh crap. No.
The house is on
Oh no, it's
Wait,
spreading
where's the shield?
upstairs.
on fire.
It's spreading upstairs.
Where's the shield?
Ah! I think it's gone
You've
out.
probably got it in
The forest
inventory.
is on fire.
Is it?
Yes.
How is this
Craft the
happening?
shield.
Dude,
How is this happening?
I don't know.
What happened?
Ah! I'm
Wait,
like a
where?
firefighter.
Wait, where's the fire?
Everywhere,
Outside.
Everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
Chop down
Oh
everything.
no, it's spreading to this tree over here.
Yeah.
Oh no, this is really bad.
Right.
Oh, it's fine. That
Okay, let's
blocks.
record.
Is it?
We're already recording.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
This is hilarious.
Oh no, being attacked.
Oh, I got caught between the skeleton and water. He's the worst kind of person right now.
Are we gonna venture off into the night? Oh my gosh, no.
I'm just trying to get back alive.
Yeah, same.
Oh, there's
Okay.
oh, my butt. No.
I'm gonna
No.
just eat my
no.
bread.
No.
Oh
Where's the
man.
shield?
It's in your inventory.
It's here in this chest.
It shouldn't be. I took it and gave it to Pat.
You took it and gave it to Pat.
Check your inventory.
I don't have it.
Do you know what?
Oh
shield
wait,
is?
I do have it. It's
Oh my god.
that. Oh my gosh, there's a shield.
He's a clever cookie. That's
Oh my gosh. Let's go into the nether. We can do this. I believe in
No.
us.
If you right click, it should now like.
Anyone got any?
Yeah, it
Hold up your
blocks
shield.
with
Yeah.
a shield.
Man,
Right,
two
we can go
torches.
to the Nether if you want.
Let's go.
Sure.
Grab your food.
I'm just gonna.
Actually, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna leave my diamond pickaxe here just in case.
I'm gonna
we
get some
die.
food because I don't have any.
Just in case
Oh,
we
man.
die. Again.
Man, it feels like such a long time that we've been on this
Man.
server. I don't know where any of the food is. Did we
I've got 4 bread, but
Oh,
that was
4
from last
bread.
time.
did we allocate like? How do we have so many boats?
I have no
Why
idea.
are there so many boats?
Sugarcane, wheat. I found a carrot. That's a good start, I guess.
Oh man, I'm on 1 heart. I just need something to eat. Can I
Let's.
eat
Oh,
these?
there's the farm. Let's go to the. I don't think Pat's ever seen the farm.
Shall we
Where's the
sleep
farm?
first so that we don't go out and die immediately?
Well, if we go to the farm, we can get food.
But sleep.
It's about to be daytime.
Half of the house is burnt down, by the way.
Really?
Well,
It didn't look that bad.
Oh, there's a painting.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right. Okay. We can sleep and it'll
no,
go.
it's daytime
Sleeping?
now.
Oh no, there's monsters.
I'm sleeping.
Oh man, I could really do with.
There are monsters nearby.
It's fine. It's about to become.
It's day.
Yeah, it's literally about to become
Right,
day
let's
anyway. So
quickly head on over there.
right, follow us, Pat.
Where are you?
Oh, there's so
Over
many
here.
skeletons everywhere.
Front door.
Front door. Okay.
So now they added.
That's
a
the
thing
back
to
door.
skeletons, how
That's the back
bows are
door.
actually down when they're not attacking. Apparently that wasn't a thing before.
Right,
We need
okay.
to add some pressure pads over here. Can't be bothered opening the doors.
Pressure pads are pretty cheap, aren't
Oh,
they?
dude, can I have that
Yep.
apple? Or you
So
start?
many saplings.
Oh, me.
Wait, how
Just
come
have-
burnt
There you
trees
go.
produce saplings? The physics.
I don't know. Just embrace it. Let's kill this skeleton.
Nice cape or glider or whatever.
Thank you. I'm just hiding from
How many
skeletons.
how many
One shot.
hits with an iron sword does it take now to kill a skeleton? That felt like
Many.
way too many.
Yeah, they're like.
Don't tell me they got buffed. That would be really bad.
I think they're more accurate now than they were.
That really sucks.
I think we're in hard though, so
Are we?
yep.
I don't think we are. I think we're normal.
This would be awkward if we're in hard.
Yeah, we've done like this.
We're in easy.
We've done the. Oh, we actually. Oh, we actually. Oh, yes, we are.
Why is it locked so easy?
I don't know. I probably said it like right at the start,
Oh, it's
and it would never change it.
Easy, and we're complaining about how hard it is to
There's
kill
like so
things.
much bone meal back there.
There's
Keep
like
going.
Whoa.
don't hit any of it because none of it is ready to be farmed yet,
Okay.
except from like
These few.
2 bits. Yeah. Do you have any bone meal, Pat?
What?
Do you have any bone meal?
Bone
more
meal?
in the house.
No, I didn't kill any skeletons.
Do you want me to run back and get some?
Sure thing.
Because if we get loads of food, then we'll be sorted.
It'd be really nice.
Because, you know, last time we went to the Nether, flashbacks.
That's a big pole in the distance.
Oh, yeah. Callum, give Pat the glider and then let him glide down.
Pat, right, come with.
You know what? I think
Wait,
I'll just
wasn't there
die.
another one? I'm pretty
Oh,
sure
it's
there's-
raining. I don't think you'll need it anymore.
It's like, Pat, have you watched any of the earlier videos that you weren't in?
Nope. Of course
Okay.
not. What is
Okay, setting a good example for her. Anyway, right. They added gliders to Minecraft a while ago.
Where's all the wheat good?
I just took it all out so I could...
I keep dropping my items because I keep thinking I'm playing WoW and I keep pressing Q.
You're a
Was
scrub.
there, man?
There was 2 wheat. I've got 39 bone meal right now, so I'm going to go back and... I will... There's another fire, by the way.
Do you want? Have you got a sword? Oh, there's
Yeah.
another fire.
Oh no, it's a really big one this time.
Oh, where?
It's like spreading quite bad.
Oh, so much rain.
Crap. Shouldn't the fire really?
It's fine.
By the
It's
way.
fine. I stopped the
It's
fire.
snowing. What?
Yeah,
What is this?
we've
Make-
built our house right in between a snow biome and just a normal biome kind of thing. It's quite weird, but it's cool.
It's just like raining, then it's snowing, then it's raining, then it's snowing.
Yeah, it's like it doesn't know how to make up its mind really. Oh, I'm about to die of hunger.
Oh, I could use
Really?
like
Yeah, I've got 3 hunger.
You won't die. It'll just-
I could drop off a solid right now. That was a lot of pakora I ate.
Oh gosh.
Do grown crops burn at all?
What?
Do crops burn?
In Minecraft?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't burn them though, because they're
Oh no, don't worry. I
They're
don't know
not-
anything.
they're not easy to.
Because
to
don't they
get,
have
you know.
water so they don't burn?
No, the water is to kind of like fertilize the ground to make it grow faster.
I'll help you.
Oh no, that's not finished. That's not finished growing yet.
Oops.
No. Oh,
See how this
someone
one here,
broke it,
Pat,
man.
the one that I'm standing on. Oh no, I just broke it.
Oh yeah, like the brown ones, yeah, sure.
Oh no, I'm glitching.
Oh no, I dropped stuff again. Oh my gosh, why do I keep dropping stuff? I keep pressing Q.
Because you're a noob. Anyway, right. You see how there's different stages of them growing, Pat?
Yeah, the brown's the last one.
Like the gold, more light coloured one. But when it's tall, really tall and light green, then that's the last one. Oh no, wait, you're using a different texture pack, aren't you? When it's got the little brown tips on the top, that's it, finished.
So much rain, my FPS.
Do you want me to be really naughty?
All the downfall already.
Yeah, you do it, because I can never type the command in right.
Wow, Pat, what have you built here?
Don't worry, 1 second. No!
Callum, do you have a crafting table to make the bread?
There's one here.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go.
You got most of the
build-
wheat, so can you make the bread?
I've made 3 pieces.
Oh, I got an achievement.
Oh man, Pat, do you want a piece? Want a piece of me?
Oh, there we go. I'm on 7.5 hunger now. Whew. This is on fire. The ground is on fire.
Why is everything?
Why is everything going on fire?
Oh. Well, we know what the theme of the episode is now.
Yeah, fire.
Oh my gosh, tree's on fire. Oh, I'm on fire. Everything's on fire.
How is this tree on fire?
What is happening?
Like, how is it? Is this a thing they added? Did they add
Why
like?
is this a random
Forest
forest fire?
fires.
Did they add forest fires or
I
something?
hope not. It'd be terrible.
That is honestly like, why would they do that?
Worst decision.
Yes, it really is, isn't it? It's not like,
Because every time I look around, it's just like.
that's just horrible. Look, this tree's on fire. This tree is on fire.
What's happening?
Oh
Where?
my gosh.
How is this on fire? How is this on fire? Does anyone have any water? Because this
Oh
is...
my gosh, let's just let the forest burn.
No. This is
Whoa. Whoa.
This is valuable wood.
Whoa. Whoa.
Now this tree's on
Why
fire.
is this tree on fire? What's happening?
I don't know.
Whoa.
Whoa! I heard the click of a lighter.
Oh, Patrick! It's Patrick! The whole time!
No, I wasn't.
The only thing he knows how to make, that's right, a flint and
Did they
steel.
did they add
and
forest
steel.
fires? Don't kill me! I'm sorry! I'm so sorry! No!
Let's see. Oh, I found it, Callum. It's over here.
I'm just trying to save the forest right now.
It's fine, it's a lost cause.
Oh,
I'm confiscating this
guys, come on.
I don't want to lose all this wood, so...
everything you own.
Oh no, it's too high for me to reach now.
Oh, and the iron.
Oh no, I'm gonna die. Crap.
Pat, I've got most of your stuff.
Well, I'm gonna go mining.
Do you have any iron to make a pickaxe?
I just need torches. That's the only thing I need.
Cam, do you have any more food?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, can I get my armor back?
Yeah, come here.
I won't burn
Come
anything.
here.
I promise.
I doubt you very much.
I promise. Where are you?